Baked goods offer convenience and affordability to customers, and the growing demand has led many home bakers and chefs to enter the bakery business. As per the IMARC report, the Indian bakery market stood at a value of approximately USD 11.3 billion in 2022. The market is further estimated to grow at a CAGR of 10.8% between 2023 and 2028 to reach a value of USD 21.2 billion by 2028. Bakeries will become a highly lucrative restaurant format. We will discuss in detail here how to open a bakery business in India. But before that, let us understand the types of bakery business. Type of bakery business. Before you start setting up your bakery specifications, you must first choose whether you want to set up a retail bakery or a large-scale bakery. This decision is very important as it affects how we interact with our customers and how much we invest. Retail bakery. Customers can purchase baked goods directly from a retail bakery. You can set them up in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they all require at least one employee of yours to manage checkouts and serve customers. Bulk bakery. Bulk bakery sells and delivers baked goods to retail outlets such as cafes, hotels, and supermarkets. There are many creative options when it comes to wholesale baking. B. Focus more on your menu and its packaging. Types of bakery service. Now that you know what kind of bakery you want to open, you need to decide what kind of services you want to offer. Bakery cafe. A bakery cafe, often a place where you can sit and relax, has a dining area where customers can relax and enjoy their meal. Food truck bakery. If you're on the go and always want to deliver to your customers, a mobile restaurant or bakery food truck is the way to go. Home baking. Home baking is ideal for business owners who don't have a lot of money to invest in a new business. All you need to start a home bakery is the right tools, enough space, and the license you need. Counter bakery. A counter bakery is similar to a bakery cafe, except for the dining room. Customers can usually walk and pick up the goods from the small shops. Specialty bakery. A specialty bakery specializes in producing one or more baked goods. It also provides flexibility as you can decide whether you want to retail or wholesale even though you focus on one type of product. Deciding what type of bakery you want to start is important because it affects the structure of your bakery business model. It's a wide range of options, but it's also the most exciting part of your new venture. Follow these steps to have a successful bakery business in India. 1. Bakery business plan. Establish a bakery business plan before learning how to start a bakery business as it will assist in streamlining operations, deciding budget distribution, and planning the future development of bakery firm. It should preferably include business plan summary. The summary section of your bakery business plan serves as a summary of your establishment. This should include your goal statement, a description of your restaurant's legal structure and ownership, a brief history of the restaurant if it is already open, and business strategies for the restaurant. Business overview. The firm overview of a bakery business plan must include the concept of your bakery firm as well as the financial projections. Explain the type of service you intend to offer. It should include the layout of your bakery and the service type, a sample menu, and the management team's contact information. Industry analysis. Conducting an industry analysis is critical before starting a bakery. It will assist you in identifying the competition in your area, analyzing the target demographic for your bakery, and selecting the best site for your bakery business. SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis of your bakery firm will assist you in identifying the bakery's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Operations plan. Your bakery's operations plan should include specifics about how your bakery will run, such as order taking, menu, service, employee management, raw material procurement, and so on. Financial analysis. Bakery business plans. Financial analysis should include a cash flow statement, operating costs, fixed and recurrent expenses, and so on. This helps in establishing the viability of the bakery business. Marketing plan. The bakery's business plan should also include a marketing plan. Your marketing plan should explain how you will attract customers and promote your bakery. Location of the bakery business. One of the first steps in starting a bakery business in India is deciding on the right location. The ideal location for your bakery is in a well-known market or busy high-end shopping district. When deciding on a bakery location, it is important to ensure that the location has adequate water supply and drainage. Obtain the proper legal agreement for the property, as this is also required for paperwork and other licenses. You will also need to obtain a no-objection certificate (NOC) from the owner stating that his apartment is being used for food sales purposes. Licenses required to open bakery business. Similar to the QSR format, the bakery business also requires to have 5 licenses. FSI license, GST registration, municipal health license, police canteen license, and fire service license. Of all the licenses, FSI, GST, and municipal health licenses are the most important ones required to start a business. Police and firefighting licenses can be obtained after joining the company. It is advisable to obtain all the licenses before starting bakery. Manpower required to open a bakery. Bakery establishments, in contrast to QSR and food truck, require an educated crew because baked items require both flavor and presentation. A head chef, chef de parties, level chef, and helpers are required for a high-end bakery, as well as service boys and a cashier in the display and service area. Bakery equipment. Plenary mixer, oven, dough sheeter, bread slicer, deep fridge, cooling fridge, proving chamber, working table, gas burner, storage utensils, SS racks, etc. are some of the necessary equipments for starting a bakery. Bakery display area. The display area or front end of the bakery shop should be well planned and inviting to attract the customers. It should be made in such a way so that every item is visible. A display fridge is primarily required for cakes and pastries. Besides the refrigerator, the display room should contain adequate storage as well as a display rack for the contents. POS and billing software. POS software is no longer merely billing software. The POS software is now the only software you need in your restaurant, thanks to robust connections such as inventory management. When acquiring one for your bakery, make sure that the POS software has tools to regulate the shelf life of the baked foods, as you will be dealing with perishables. The cost of POS software will most likely vary depending on the features you want to integrate. Marketing and branding. Market and branding are critical for any business to thrive, and a bakery is no exception. Hire a professional designer to create a correctly designed logo and display board. This will not only assist you in developing your own distinct identity, but will also aid in branding while packing. Remember to acquire a properly designed menu as well. Aside from them, you should pay for restaurant management software because it may assist you in operating numerous marketing campaigns by utilizing consumer data. Staff uniform. When starting a food business, uniforms are frequently overlooked. However, they are necessary because they contribute to the bakery's professional appearance and identity. All employees must appear clean, hygienic, and well-dressed. You can wear chef coats, stylish shirts and t-shirts, and an apron. Collaboration with online food aggregators. Online food delivery is becoming increasingly popular these days. It is strongly recommended for a new bakery business to register with online food aggregators in order to create online orders. We hope that this article has helped you in understanding how to start a bakery business in India.